In this video, we will review Quicken Classic Australia. Quicken Classic Australia is a robust personal finance software designed to simplify money management for users down under. With its comprehensive set of tools, it allows users to track spending, create budgets and monitor investments with ease. The software provides a clear overview of your finances by automatically importing bank transactions and categorizing them, ensuring accurate budgeting and expense tracking. One of its standout features is the ability to manage multiple accounts, including bank accounts, credit cards, loans and investment portfolios, all in one place. Quicken also offers detailed reporting tools to help you analyse spending patterns and financial goals. With the interface user-friendly, some users find it an older design a bit dated compared to more modern apps. However, the software's deep integration with Australian banks and its ability to handle both everyday expenses and investment tracking makes it an excellent choice for those who are serious about financial management. Overall, Quicken Classic Australia remains a reliable and comprehensive solution for managing personal finance effectively. For watching, don't forget to like and subscribe.